Pak. Here's a room tour. This hotel was a little bit hard to find and mukha siyang maliit sa labas. But as you can see, maganda yung room, malaki and malinis. And it's more than enough for the 3 of us. Dinner! Walking in Hanoi. Yeah, Old Quarter. After dinner, we just roamed around and umabot kami dito sa may One Kiem Lake. Malapit na pala sa amin yun. So, naglibat-libat lang din kami.
Islands.
Fit for today.
Hindi na naman. Tatlo. 1, 2, 3, 4 trays ha.
Kasi may phone.
Diyan sa Padre Pio eh. Hello!
Train Street, ang lapit na natin dito.
Pero sa sa iPhone, hindi kita yung ulan. Pwede sa taas. Ako sa taas. Gusto mo sa taas? Okay, for the tour. But it's a bit rainy. Ay, dadaanan natin. Alin? We made a reservation here at Tamvi for lunch. So this is a Michelin star restaurant. I suggest you come here early for your reservation. So kami dumating ng 11 AM for lunch. As you can see, wala pa masyadong tao and wala ring pila sa labas. Oh, ganda.
Village chicken.
Michelin. Parang ngayon lang ako nakain sa Michelin restaurant.
Ano, akin lang to?
Yes.
Actually, kasya sa akin.
Complete na ito.
Mapabot ito siya.
Oh my, oh my.
Sa'yo ko.
This is so good. Hot. Hot.
Tama. Sarap ng kanin. Pero hindi.
Ang sarap.
Pero ito yung shrimp na hindi na kailangan balatan. Yung balutong. Ito.
Ay, ko na ako ng pan. Oh, sarap. Ay, thank you Lord. Nag-clear din. Hello.
no?
Squirrel.
Asan?
Ay, wala. Minutes away lang sa atin. Pwede yung bukas ng mga bro.
We're just roaming around. This is the way to Cafe Giang, another famous coffee shop here in Vietnam. Ma'am, bawal po tsinela sa mall.
899,000.
Magkano yan? 980 na. 2 Mahal?
Mahal din.
Ano bang mga itsura to na nasa mall? Hahanap lang ng dinner.
Jollibee nila kami ng Jollibee.
Uniqlo here is the same price with the Philippines. Ah, baliktad. Escalator is to the left. Going up. The Pinoys cannot live without.
Video muna tayong apat, padala natin dun sa GC.
Cannot live without Jollibee.
Ano mo? B4?
Yeah. Di ba?
O natalsik lang yan.
We had our breakfast at Bon Cha Hong Lien. Inagahan talaga namin to avoid the crowds since this is also a famous spot. Dito kumain before si former US President Barack Obama with Anthony Bourdain. Sabi mo. Ayun ito, nakatingin sa dito.
Ayun.
We're now in Dongsuan Market. Is it really we're in the market? Street?
Can I buy one half kilo? Best price.
Dito kayo bumili guys. Dito sa kanila. I'm in Train Street.
Tsaka laki.
Tsaka kalapit.
Ano yung cellphone? Sarap.
Yet another Michelin find. So, nadadaan lang namin to near our hotel. So, might as well try it. And in fairness, masarap din naman. And hindi naman super expensive yung prices for its quality.
Coke.
Yung malaki ko na sa inyo.